अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू स्पीक इजी। मैं हूं आयशा उमर और आज मैं आप लोगों की मुलाकात करवा रही हूं शरबानो नकवी से, who is a dedicated, brave police officer in Punjab and is known for her professionalism and her courage. She is inspiring many Pakistani women to break barriers and she is a proud symbol of female empowerment in Pakistan. I'm so excited to meet her. I'm so grateful for women like her in Pakistan. आइए मिलते हैं शरबानो नकवी से. Today I am in conversation with one of my favorite real life heroes, Sharbano Naqvi, from Punjab Police. She is serving as the ASP Defense. और आप सब जानते ही होंगे शरबानो को. शी बेसिकली बिकेम अ वायरल नेम एंड अ वायरल फेस आफ्टर द इचरा इंसिडेंट. उससे बहुत पहले से वो बहुत दिलेरी से और बहुत करेज से पुलिस फोर्स में काम कर रही थी. लेकिन कोई एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो इंसान की हाईलाइट हो जाती है, एंड देन यू कम इन द फोर फ्रंट. एंड शी रिसीव्ड द कायद-ए-आज़म पुलिस मेडल एंड ऑल्सो एन अवार्ड फ्रॉम द सऊदी रॉयल फैमिली. Assalamu alaikum, Sharbano.
Walaikum assalam.
Thank you so much for giving us time.
Thank you so much for having me.
I know today is a very stressful day because you have a meeting. और आज लाहौर में बहुत बारिश हुई है. सुबह में हमने अपनी लोकेशन शिफ्ट की, पानी खड़ा है हर जगह. एंड आई गेस खैर 3-4 दिनों से बारिश हो रही है एंड द सिटी इज इन chaos at the moment. Sharbano, you know, there's so much that I want to ask you, but I want to begin with your childhood. Yeah, I really want to. बचपन में did you ever know कि मैंने इस direction में जाना है? Was it a dream or a desire when you were young? या आपने बाद में जाके ये direction सोचा? How did this journey start?
So we are 3 sisters and a brother, and I'm the middle child.
You're the middle child.
And I always used to be the reason behind the chaos in the house because I used to be very active, energetic.
You're a naughty child.
Yeah. So I used to have a lot of fun, and my mom used to think कि पता नहीं इसका बनना क्या है, and she used to complain to my father because हमारी family में ना education is a pretty big deal.
हाँ, I believe Faisalabad से you did your O levels, A levels.
Yeah. No, I did my O levels, A levels from Lahore. I was born in Faisalabad.
You were born in Faisalabad.
Yeah. So everybody was getting straight A's, and I was the odd one out who only got 5 A's in her O levels. So that was
only
like,
5
you
A's.
only got 5 A's.
तो उसका भी pressure.
Exactly.
To excel.
So I always wanted to be a police officer. Because once you're growing up, you end up realizing that there are only 3 or 4 occupations which have the ability to touch upon the lives of a common man. Jisme, obviously, you have doctors, then you have lawyers, then you have police officers. जिसके पास आप जाते हो जब आपको कोई problem हो. So the first person that you think of after your family and friends is कि मैं 15 पे call करूँ या फिर I need to seek help through an officer. So that's why.
वो भी debatable है, अभी उसमें भी आते हैं कि is the police I mean of course people like you are changing the image and the general conception कि क्या हम पुलिस के पास जाएं, हमारी मदद होगी नहीं होगी. So you wanted to go into this direction, you wanted to be someone जो लोगों की मदद कर सके. When you decided this, what did your family say?
They were all up for it.
They were up for it.
They were up for it because एक चीज़ ज़रूर कही गई थी कि it's a lifestyle choice.
हाँ.
So, which stopped being a bone of contention when my sister went into foreign service. So, everybody picked a profession जिसका अपना lifestyle है, अपनी timings हैं, अपनी एक routine है. So, it was never something that was a cause of concern for my father or my mother. So he's been pretty progressive as far as this is concerned.
And 3 sisters basically you grew up with. I mean you're one of 3 sisters. तो जो बहनों का एक bond होता है, how important is that for a woman, a girl to feel secure?
I think clarity आ जाती है of thought. एक clarity of thought आ जाती है. Second, you always have this support system with you. So instead of you seeking help or you seeking advice from somebody else who's a stranger or you become friends with later on in life, you're basically seeking help from a person who's always been there.
You can trust them unconditionally.
And my mother is they're like a group of 8 sisters. So I've always seen this bond between her and her sisters. So मुझे वो लगता था कि this is something that is generational. So वो positivity जो नहीं है वो इधर भी resonate करती है, वो उधर भी नजर आती थी. तो हम पूछते थे वालदा से ना कि why don't you have many friends? थी, उसे मुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़ी कभी.
So you never needed to make many
Exactly,
girlfriends. जिस तरह
exactly.
I don't have a sister and
Yeah.
I have a group of 6 girls. हम एक दूसरे की बहनें हैं, of course. Your friends are your family away from home. So safe space थी बचपन से. You could share everything and anything that was happening to you. क्योंकि बहुत सारी खवातीन, मतलब कि I would say majority of the women in Pakistan do not have a safe space. कि वो कोई भी उनके साथ चीज़ हो रही है अच्छी बुरी, वो किससे शेयर करें. फीमेल फ्रेंड्स से भी नहीं शेयर कर पाती. सो यू हैड दैट.
अच्छा, मुझे ये लगता है कि बुरी चीज़ से ज़्यादा प्रिविलेज आपको होती है जब आप अच्छी चीज़ शेयर कर सको. बिकॉज आपको शेयरिंग गुड न्यूज़ विद समबडी कम्स विद अ बिगर बैगेज एज अपोज टू शेयरिंग बैड न्यूज़ विद समवन. Because
I agree with you, but I also have my own input about this. मैं वो भी आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ. हाँ.
Because I think आपको ये डर होता है कि वो मेरे लिए खुश होगा भी या नहीं होगा, right? या फिर कोई bad energy ना आ जाए सारी situation में. So I think that's a privilege.
Yeah, because वो नजर का जो I
Exactly.
strongly believe in that and bad energy. But if something really खुदा ना खास्ता bad happens to you, हम मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, especially ख़वातीन के साथ तो एक string of चीज़ें बचपन से शुरू हो जाती हैं और and most of it we suppress. हम बता नहीं पाते. Shame attached होती है, guilt attached होती है, या आपको ये होता है कोई believe नहीं करेगा. तो वो भी एक safe space बहुत ज़रूरी है. Like 95% of my friends have been molested, and including me, we were molested by family members or domestic staffs and single kids. हम अब आके एक दूसरे को बताना शुरू कर रहे हैं because we never felt safe speaking about it. So don't you think कि वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है because उसका trauma accumulative बहुत ज़्यादा होता है?
अच्छा, उसके अंदर I think a strong fatherly figure is very important as well. It might sound stereotypical या बहुत ही वो typical सी बात लगेगी, but during my university days I was passing by and somebody hooted at me and I was offended because I was waiting for my driver to come. तो वो बाहर wait कर रहा था. I turned around and I was like, you don't get to do that. So I gave him a thrashing and then I called my driver. He came and I was like, call my father. बाबा को बता दो कि इसको मैं लेके जा रही हूँ head of department के पास, तो वो kindly आ जाएं because इसको मैंने नहीं छोड़ना.
But Sharbano, we are privileged. We
Yeah.
are like the privileged few.
Exactly.
जो आम लोग हैं, जो एक आम लड़की है, वो तो अपनी अम्मी को भी नहीं बता सकती.
उसके लिए I think we need to start having departments and having offices in place who are open to communication.
Yeah.
Now, जब भी कोई खातून अब हमारे पास आती है, we just tell her कि it's okay, you can share anything and everything that you want to share, and it's perfectly fine. And ever since we've started doing this, we have over 40 to 50 cases that we've dealt with.
Wow.
अब कल हम लोगों ने एक और केस पकड़ा है जिसके अंदर a Yango driver was repeatedly blackmailing a girl whose husband was in America. And she just came to us. She's a doctor. She goes like, मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है. He has already extorted 2,40,000 rupees from
How
me.
was he blackmailing her?
कि मैं तुम्हारे हस्बैंड को बता दूंगा, तुम मेरे साथ ड्राइव पे गई हो, ये वो, तुमने यांगो करवाई थी, मुझे पहले उसने 30,000 भेजे, फिर 40,000, फिर so on and so forth. And the total amount was 2,40,000 rupees.
Wow.
So we registered an FIR, got the money back. He's paying her today. कि मैं वापस कर देता हूँ.
At least she had the courage to come and
Exactly.
tell you.
So we've started encouraging girls कि there is no shame attached to these things.
कि कोई भी चीज आपको
कोई भी चीज हो
लग
तो
रहा है
आप
कि
आएं. और
सही नहीं
जब
हो
खास
रही.
तौर पे बच्ची हमारे पास आती है ना तो रो रही हो, तो हमने कहा आपके साथ तो ज्यादती हुई, आप क्यों रो रही हैं? रोई तो वो जो ज्यादती कर रहा है. Why are you crying?
हाँ, but रोना एक
Is
रिलीज
there
होता है
something
ना स्ट्रेस
exactly?
का.
So you have to be strong. We are going to face this together, and we'll make sure that the other person cries, and you don't have to.
Wow, Sharbano. I mean, you have no idea how incredibly grateful we are for women like you in the police force.